Jinan Junda Industrial Technology Company Limited, established in 2005, is a professional engaged in the produce, development, sale, and service of steel shot, steel grit, sandblaster, sandblasting machine, garnet sand. We are located in Jinan with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements about sandblasting abrasives, glass beads, bearing steel grit, stainless steel shot, steel ball, grinding ball, aluminum oxide. Develop new sandblasting equipment, sandblasting pot, sandblasting cabinet, spray paint and coating equipment, and the spare parts to ensure full customer satisfaction in sandblasting, surface preparation, and corrosion control industry's water jet cutting application. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certification, CE certification, KOC certification, selling well in China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Canada, Chile, Peru, Argentina, Australia, Germany, UK, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Netherlands, Russia, Poland, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, we can satisfy with your sourcing requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.